Hey, it's Jenna here from Sit Bite Go, and today I'm sharing with you one of my kitchen remodel features, and this one I'm doing on the self-install blinds that I ordered through mail with the help of DIYeasyblinds.com. So this company makes it super easy for you to measure your blinds at home, even if you're not so into math like me. And then you just send them the measurements. They'll come back with any questions or if anything doesn't look right, which in my case, they asked me to confirm a little measurement that seemed different than the rest, and they were right. So they totally know what they're doing and make it easy. So the whole process was super simple. Once I told them I was interested, they sent me the samples, and I decided to go with the white faux wood blinds. I really like this look. I think it's modern and clean and simple, and I really like the weight of the blinds. They really do feel and look like wood, but they're plastic. And one other thing that I liked beyond the look was that they're cordless, so my baby's not going to be playing with the cord, and we don't have to worry about anything there. So the installation, once they arrived in the mail, was completely easy. It took us about 10 to 20 minutes to put up each blind, and once they were up, we put up these valances that cover the top where the blinds are attached to the window. These are inset blinds. They fit inside the window, but they have all different types of blinds at DIYeasyblinds.com. This company has been such a pleasure to work with. I've gotten to speak with the owner of the company, and they're really just the loveliest people. They made it easy for me to find blinds that are going to work with all of the videos that I record in my kitchen for sitbitego.com. Well, thanks so much for coming on this journey with me. There's plenty of more remodeling visits to come at sitbitego.com. Hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers!